Hello dear Libra, welcome to my channel and this is your August monthly reading. We are going to cover everything from your career to love to health, whatever the cards are trying to reveal to us. If there are no health cards, which means that there are no major health issues coming your way. So please don't separately ask that, ma'am, you did not cover the health because there was no major health issue coming your way and that is why the cards did not reveal it. So if you're a Sun Moon Rising Libra, this reading is for you. Let's get started. In the first week, you've got the Nine of Spades and the Nine of Suns. You could be seeing 9 on the clock a lot, which is a card, which is a number of completion. So you are completed something. Cycle is coming to an end or a new cycle is beginning, right? Also something is ending for you maybe. I do see that you're waiting for a lot of success and abundance to come your way, but unfortunately, that will not happen this week because there is an unseen threat around you, somebody who's probably something you can't see, somebody who's giving a negative feedback about you, right? Or delaying your progress in some way. There is something that you probably did not do. Your own decisions have affected your life. You have to reassess the entire situation. This is a time that if you think that you've just started something new, you have to suspend all operations. You have to take a break. If you are getting into fights and arguments with people, you will require all your skills, all your experience to get out of that problem, that mess that has been created. So please suspend all operations, take a break and reassess the entire situation. There is a need to reassess something here. There is a need to correct something here, right? And to also defend yourself. So this can be your love life, this can be your professional life as well. But please make sure that you are making the wise choices, the right choices this time. In the second week, you've got the Six of Moons and the Justice card, which tells me that you're looking backwards, like, to the past, maybe for reanalyzing everything. Maybe you're looking at, okay, how simple the life was, or maybe you're looking at some people who stabbed you in the back, right? Or you're thinking that I shouldn't have trusted them, or I shouldn't have made that move. If you're thinking of taking a revenge on someone, please don't, because with the justice card here, anyone who has done you wrong on purpose, right, is going to get their karma for sure. You don't have to take a revenge, you just have to sit back and relax. And if you think you have hurt someone, then the karma will play its role in your life too, which means you will be karmically inclined to pay the debts. Okay, so second week of August, you can feel a lot of karmic connections coming to an end for you, a lot of karmic connections beginning for you, a lot of karmic backlash also if you haven't done your bit well, right? So a lot of karma is going to play a lot of role in your life in the month of August. So if good things are happening, thank the karma that you've done good, right? But if bad things are happening, that's your karma as well. You're going to receive whatever you have given out to the universe and to the people. In the third week, you've got the Two of Spades and the Magician, right? Mm, See, there has been a lot of struggles and hurdles in your life, right? Professionally, personally, right? There has been a lot of blockages. It could be that in your personal life, you both could have blocked each other, are in separation, not talking to each other, and maybe you're trying to manifest somebody from your past, and that is why you're looking in the past a lot. I do see with the magician here that your manifestation powers are very strong, which means you can manifest anything you want. So whatever you're trying to manifest, please make sure that you're thinking positively. If you're going to be in that abandoned energy that somebody abandoned me or they blocked me or you're going to be angry or frustrated about it, then you're not going to attract that manifestation, attract that person back or that reconciliation or that missed opportunity, right? So please think positively so that you can attract all the positive things in your life. Coming to the last week, you've got the alchemist and the hangman. I do see that once upon a time, you did trust someone with marriage. You maybe thought that now you can settle down, but this person hurt you, stabbed you in the back. Unfortunately, you have not been able to move on from this hurt. You're still carrying that pain energy, like I said, and this happened in the past probably, and that's why the hangman is urging you to move on from this hurt. Right? It's not that one person hurt you or was not ready to commit to you or marry you doesn't mean nobody will, right? So you have to take that thought out of your mind and you have to move on. The moment you look forward, you will see that there is a new opportunity waiting for you. A new partner, a new work opportunity is just around the corner. If you keep on looking in the past that, oh, I missed that opportunity, they did not select me, that company did not select me, I or that client deal did not go through, you will never be able to see the new client which is waiting for you, the new customer which is waiting for you, the new job opportunity, the new love offer which is waiting for you, right? Because you're too busy looking in the past. So this is causing your own delays in life. So please make sure that you're looking forward, that you're able to move on in life. Agreed. uh, Cry if you want to, but don't get stuck on a particular situation for too long. Okay, so overall if I say that, yes, this month will require you to stay positive at all times. Also, karma is going to play a big role in your life, so be humble, do not hurt people, do your karma well, and whoever is doing you wrong will automatically get their karma, so don't worry about that. And it is very important for you to not dwell on the negativities or on the past a little too much. Just try to move on from every situation. Okay, yes, challenging week for you, but also very important week for you, month for you. Okay, so this was your monthly reading for August. If you guys have very specific questions which were not covered in this general reading, you can book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings, I do rituals and counseling sessions as well. So check out the description box for a host of other services like exclusive love readings or no contact readings as well. You can email me to book any readings or know the prices, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram. Hit the like button if you resonated or like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. On my Instagram channel, I keep on posting the prices also on a daily basis. I have very budgeted prices available, budgeted packages available. Packages are below 1,000 rupees, and you'll get 4 questions answered. Apart from that, you'll also get a free blockage removal ritual. That is the free remedy worth rupees 251. So it's very budgeted. Check it out. And if you don't want a remedy, you can simply choose the option of multiple questions as well. I take audio video call sessions as well. So take care of yourself. I look forward to hearing and seeing you soon. Bye bye.